Get ready to crunch and munch with a twist. Today, we're whipping up some homemade healthy hot Cheetos that are as fun to make as they are to eat. Let's gather our ingredients and dive right into the fun. You'll need 2 cans of white cannellini beans, your choice of grapeseed oil or any other oil, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon each of cayenne pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder, and a pinch of pink salt for that perfect zest. First, rinse and dry the beans thoroughly to get them ready for their transformation. Next, in a large bowl, mix the beans with the oil and all those delicious spices until they are well coated. Make sure each bean is friends with some flavor. Now, spread the beans out on a baking sheet or in your air fryer basket. Remember, no bean left behind. We want them all crispy and crunchy. Set your oven or air fryer to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and let them bake or air fry for about 35 to 42 minutes. Keep an eye on them to make sure they don't get too toasty. And voila, there you have it. Your very own batch of healthy hot Cheetos. Perfect for a family movie night or a fun snack anytime. Enjoy your delicious, crunchy creation, and remember, cooking together isn't just fun. It's a recipe for great memories. Cooking with undergrounding.